utilizing the Command Alkon automation along with the Apex ticketing software. We have a footprint here of 1 scale for inbound traffic, 2 for outbound traffic, and then 1 remotely down the street here, where they're all manned from 1 scale operator inside this office right here. We also have a fast pass lane right behind me, where trucks, after they weigh in the morning and get their initial tear weight and job information, if they're keeping a true job and product for the entire day, they can use this fast pass lane without any communication to the scale operator and go back and get loaded. We're utilizing your LPR cameras, where we actually have the license plate on the front of all of our trucks, or all of the customer trucks, and it's going to read the license plate, automatically find them in the system, check them into Apex, and bill or ticket on their way out. Before we brought in this equipment, there would be a long line of trucks waiting to come in and waiting to check out and get their ticket. Now, there's one conversation happening between 1 truck at a time with our operator inside the office. They're getting checked in, going back and getting loaded. And then with the automation, it's roughly 15 seconds from the moment that these trucks hop on the scale to where they receive their ticket, and then they're out the gate to go onto their job.
The ease of it, we basically can look at the screen if it's automated, and we look for colors. It goes through a color cycle, and if we end up with a red, we know, hey, there's a problem. Look for a green and everything's good, and we didn't have to do anything other than look at the screen. At night, it's really easy to run reports. We'll run our customer reports that gets a breakdown of the material and jobs for each customer, and then we can also run a report for total material sales all day. Just a couple buttons. Click it, we can save it to a PDF and be able to email out the information every night. Very easy, yes.
It's mostly for the customer. Yeah, it makes things easier for us on the back end, but if we can ensure that we're getting another truck in here for our customers, that means that these government jobs, which we work heavily with, are getting completed at an earlier date, especially if the tonnage and the volume is there. The safety aspect of it has been increased substantially. It just made the whole entire process more efficient, honestly.